Profile picture ko lang dati yun. Kung may ganyan akong profile picture.
Sa mga bagong dating, bilang po, welcome po kayo. Pwede po kayo mag-warm up.
Camera. Hindi talaga ako camera man.
Start na po.
Good.
Team 3 versus Team Player. Marchand taking 3, no good. Ripo by Coco. 9 minutes and 54 seconds. Reyes.
Kasala ba?
Pwede pala yung kay J. Mark eh. Magkakamaya. Crossover by Ron. 8 seconds to shoot. No good. Ripo by. Number 8. Pass to Basarte. Crossover move pass to Binchok. No good. Ripo by Kenneth. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Figura. Ron. Pass to Reyes. No good. Ripo by Marjan. Jordan. Pass to Binchok. Another layup is good. Binchok 2-0 in favor of Team 3. Ron making his move, step back, pass to Reyes, pass to Sir Robbie, no good by Ron, 2 points, Ron, Figura, deadlock all 2 points, number 24, 4-2. Kenneth to Reyes, taking 3. Nugget, removed by Pinchok. 8 minutes and 42 seconds on the first game. 2 points, number 24, George Collins. 6-2 in favor of 2 points, Ron Figura. 6-4 in favor of Team 3. To Binchok, 2 points, Binchok. 8-4 in favor of Team 3. Sa mga bagong dating, kuha lang po kayo ng bola at mag-warm up. May isang bola pa po rito. 10 seconds to shoot. Kenneth crossover move. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Team 3. Shoutout sa ating mga bros ngayon. Green Nugget. Ribo by Reyes. Next game natin, Team Steven versus Team J-Mar.
Depende naman.
10 seconds to shoot. Nugget, ribo by Jordan.
Pwede naman.
Jordan.
Pin doon ng bola.
Pass to number 18. Number 18, alley play to number 17, 2 points.
Pin wala.
Number 17, Custodio. 10-4.
Pre.
Binchok. 13-4 in favor of Team 3. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. 7 minutes exactly. Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. To Kenneth. Yavi taking 3. Nugget. Team by Custodio. 6 minutes 50. Custodio crossover move. Custodio making his block by Reyes. Pero na-save pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Basarte. Logo. Basarte pa rin. Pass to Tortoles. Big step back shot. Nugget. 3-5. Poco. Pass to Figura. Nauna na. Figura layup move is good. Ron Figura. 13-6. 12 seconds to shoot. Pinoy step by Jupons Basante. 15-6 in favor of Team Rest. Next game, Team Steven versus Team Kmart. Taking 3, no good. Rebound by Kenneth. 9 seconds to shoot. To Figura again, 2 points. Roll Figura. 15-8. Five minutes and 35 seconds left on the first game. Jordan Jordan, sa ilalim. Nogi, rebound by
Bago ng
Figura.
sabaw.
Nauna na si Reyes. Reyes, sasalpa kaya si Reyes. Layup lang, 2 points. Third Reyes. 15-10. In favor of Team Press. Jordan. Brown. Last possession before change. Last possession. Score 15-10 in favor of Team Press.
Sino Jordan interest? Interest?
Three! Tortoles! Last possession before change. Last possession. Nugget, di ba by Robbie? Reyes, Robbie. Steve by Basante. Crossover mo by Basante. 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 Ah, ganda basa naman yun. Pasano? 10 seconds shoot. Nugget. Reyes.
Tapo ng sabaw!
Figura, take it 3. Nugget. Rebound by Jordan. Steal by Robbie. Change court na po.
Change court, change court!
Change court.
Ano?
Change court. Score 18-10 in favor of Team Press. Nugget, rebound by Ray. Rebound by Mr. MVP. Kenneth. What a pass! Reyes, 2 points. Kurt Reyes, assist by Kenneth Yagi. Nugget, rebound by Pinchok. Wow. Out of bounds, ball goes to team player.
Good, running time, running time!
Good ball.
Good, good!
Running time po yan. Dead ball lang tayo kapag foul.
Dabetin lamang kapula, interest.
18-12 in favor of Team Press pa rin. Kenneth sumubok sa press. Nugget. Rebound by si Robbie. Maka-asel ni Press si Robbie. Pero nakuha ni Jordan. Jordan pass to Tortoles. Nauna na. Steal. Pero nakakuha pa rin yung Custodio. 15 seconds shoot. Pass to Tortoles. Take it 3. Nugget. Rebound by Jordan. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Tortoles. 2 points. Tortoles.
Yung mas stats lang ang
Figura, nauna na. Figura, Nuggets, rebound by Custodio. 2012, Custodio, coast to coast, Custodio, lumiyap rin. 2 points, Custodio. 22-12.
Diretso pa eh, diretso mo.
Reyes, crossover by Reyes. Reyes. Anong tawag? Traveling without license. Traveling po ba? Traveling. 22-12 in favor of Team Tres. Oras, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. 22-12. 22-12 in favor of Team Tres. 3
Bawat kaya.
Tortoles. 25-12. 2 minutes and 50 seconds to Figura. Short jumper. Simons. Ron Figura. Assist by Kurt Reyes. Another player naman. Wala. Rebound by Pichok. Muscle fake. Nakita pa si Tortoles. Simons. 27-14. Out of bounds.
Ayaw.
Out of bounds. Bola ng Team Tres. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Good ball. Good ball. Ilayo. To Figura, all lolo layup, sky layup, 2 points, Ron Figura. Assist by Kenneth Yagi. 1 minute and 45 seconds left. Pass to Custodio, pass to 10 seconds to shoot. Marcha taking green, Nugget, rebound by Reyes. 27-16. 1 minute 29, Reyes. Short cover ni Reyes. Nugget, rebound by. Out of bounds. Sayang hasil ni Coco. Good ball. Tortoles. Another three. Wala, sayang. Rebound out of bounds. Good ball. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Figura crossover move. Figura. Pass to Reyes. Reyes to rebound. Woo! 2 balls.
Highlights.
Third, Reyes. 27-18. Pero binawi sa kabila. 2
Gusto
balls.
naman.
Big joke. 47 seconds left. Reyes na naman. Ang ganda pass sa labas. Kenneth, spin cycle, Kenneth. 12 seconds to shoot. Score 27-18 in favor of Team Dress. Ball along in green. Nugget. Rebound by Custodio. 28 seconds left. Now si Pinchok. 2 points, Pinchok. Shot lang o, 20 seconds. 17 seconds. Raise na naman, steal. Pass circle, 10 seconds left. 2 points. Tortoles, 5 seconds.
4, 3,
2, 1. Napahabol
Napahabol
pa.
pa.